So hello everyone, welcome back, and today is going to be the second part of the previous video where I have ranked the strongest cameraman race. And today we are going to do exact same, but we are going to rate the strongest TV man race people. And it's going to be super exciting, so stay tuned. The reason I didn't make the video on Speaker Man is because the Boom has officially announced that the speaker race will get an upgrade and they are preparing an armada. So today's video is going to be on TV men, and they've got a lot of elite agents and many more. So let's just start. At number 6, we've got the TV man which appeared in episode 49 and fought beside TV woman. Now he's almost like a normal TV man, but he's got a laser which can destroy other Skibidi Toilet's glasses, which is extremely useful because TV man cannot fight back against the Skibidi Toilet which has glasses. And if you didn't know, this is the same TV man which got later upgraded and is called Daddy TV Man now. Somehow he was really special and he got upgrades, that's why. So if you talk about his abilities, he's got the purple TV glow and the laser. And the purple TV glow is his main weapon. The purple glow is used to hypnotize Skibidi Toilets for good. And they can even make them kill themselves by it. Or maybe control them to kill others. So that's all he has because he's almost a normal TV man but with a laser. At 5th place, we got the TV man scientist. He doesn't really upgrade himself, but because of his IQ, he has got this place. Because if he decides to upgrade himself, it would be too good. Because I see a lot of potential in this guy. And he also has the same abilities as the normal TV man, only the purple glow and not anything else. So the next elite agent we've got is the TV woman. Now the TV woman is really powerful and she have proved it as well. TV woman has multiple abilities and multiple things that normal TV woman doesn't have. The most powerful being that she can control Skibidi Toilets by her head. And she also got many TV glows. She has the red glow which can burn Skibidi Toilets. She has the purple glow which can control Skibidi Toilets. And she can also separate her head to attack Skibidi Toilets with range. And this is very useful because she has already used it for controlling Skibidi Toilets. Whereas she also controlled the scientist puppet. And the latest upgrade she got, she also have some new kind of blades which highly resemble the blade of Titan TV Man. And that's all the abilities she has. Now we can move on to number 3, which is going to be the Elite Daddy TV Man. Now this is a new special and elite agent which has recently received updates, and he first appeared in episode 73. He has mastered the TV man beams and also mastered the teleportation ability. He also has blades in his forearms which are really powerful, and he can also control Skibidi Toilets with his purple glow. He can go invisible as well, and I hope that he can get even more upgrades because he's not just too powerful right now. So that's all the abilities he have. Now we can move on to number 2, which is my favorite character in the Skibidi Toilet Wars, which is the Big TV Man. He has been getting many upgrades in the past and right now he's almost the most powerful character in the world. Of course, the only exception being their Titans. When he first appeared, he only had the white glow which can blind Skibidi Toilets and maybe destroy them. In the second upgrade, he got the speakers where he can also blind the Skibidi Toilets and ultrasound them. And the latest upgrade he's got is the most powerful one. He's got the claws of the Astro Detainer, which is a huge upgrade in my opinion. He can also ultrasound them and the blinding beam. He's right now the most powerful character in small size character. He's also helping the Alliance very much in every situation. And in the new episode, Skibidi Toilet 77 full episode, we have got to see his full reps. And that proves how powerful he just is. There's a reason why he's my favorite character, right? And next up is the most powerful character in the Alliance right now, which is Titan TV Man. And of course, he's not in Alliance right now because he just got infected. This character has fought many battles for us and of course won every, and the only exception being the episode 47 and the 77 part 4. He first appeared in episode 41 and got upgraded in episode 60, and he had really cool abilities including his purple blade, his TV glows which he can use all 3 of them. He can detach his head as well. Even if his screen gets broken, he can still fight. He can teleport and many more things. He also has the abilities to throw laser from his and he can throw laser from his head as well. He has many weapons, but he got failed against the Astro Juggernaut. And in the latest upgrade, he also had his plasma shield, Astro Detainer's hand, which is a really powerful upgrade, and not really anything else. But Astro Juggernaut defeated him and now he's already infected, and that would be really hard to get him back. So we'll just have to stay tuned and many more things can happen. So that's it going to be for today. I hope I can see you in the next video.